Bilingual investing, breaking investing barriers. Jay with you guys here today to talk about the top 5 habits of successful investors. Habits are a key part of success. If you want to succeed at something, then you have to do it consistently. You have to have habits, most likely daily habits, where every day you're dedicated, you educate yourselves, things of that nature. So, we're definitely going to discuss those pointers inside today's video. But before we do so, guys, make sure you guys swing over our YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed. You click on the notification bell to stay tuned for all our new videos. And also, if you enjoy this type of content, we have free educational videos for you guys. A full playlist here, 15 videos up until now. This one would be the 16th. Take advantage of that. It's free education. It doesn't hurt. Just got to dedicate a little bit of your precious time, and you get to learn quality information. So make sure you come to our channel, subscribe, click on the playlist button. It takes you here. Free educational videos for you guys. So today's video is about why do investing habits matter, Jay? Why? So we're definitely going to go into that. What are the top 5 successful investment habits? And then the 5 Ds of success: desire, direction, discipline, dedication, and determination. So why do investing habits matters? Investing can be complex for most. I mean, if you guys ask around, most people, hey, do you invest? Do you do this? Do you do? They think it's challenging, it's complex. And, at first it might be so, but then, some of the important habits of successful investors are pretty simple if you dig into it. If you build a smart plan, avoid bad debt, save enough money to invest, and make reasonable investment choices, then you will have adopted some of the key traits that may lead you towards investment success. So this matters because if you want to be successful, you need to take actions that position yourself adequately with better chances of being able to grow your wealth. If success matters, then developing great investment habits matters just as much. Repetition and consistency are the key traits of any successful investor. So keep that in mind. That's very important. Repeating good habits consistently will assist you in becoming the best version of yourself, the one needed to succeed no matter what comes your way. Repeat what works, avoid what doesn't, guys. So just like when you plant a tree, a tree needs sun, soil, needs those things consistently. Every day it needs that repetition, that same sun to come out, to be watered. Those resources, that time, that's what the tree needs to grow money. Man, wouldn't that be nice for, money to grow in trees? But, so the same representation that goes on with trees, plants, things of that nature, we can do with oneself, where we have daily habits. We get used to certain things, certain activities, that then we need, to repeat and to do consistently. And then, just like the tree grows, then we also grow to the point where we can become successful at investing. So, Jay, what are the top 5 successful investment habits? Education is endless, guys. The endless seeking of knowledge. The learning never stops. It shall remain constant throughout your journey. In order for you to have the opportunity to grow your wealth, you first must protect it. So protect your money at all costs. Understand what you're investing into, which in this case is cryptocurrency. You must understand it. How do you understand that, Jay? By educating yourself. With what? Oh, wow. We have a free educational playlist, with 15 videos here for you guys. Pick, one out of the, just pick one out of the lot, start getting educated, and that's going to lead you guys towards success. So understand what you're investing into. Asset diversification is important, but risk management is king. So have realistic investment expectations. That's number 3. Most people want quick money and lack the understanding about the facts that success takes time for the most part. Respect the game, invest for the long term. Have a ruthless mindset. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So briefly, we can take a look at this chart. When it says have realistic expectation, guys, today's Bitcoin price is around $19,165. So let's say you have $1,000 and you come into the market today. Have realistic expectations. Most likely that 1,000 is not going to become, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, in a week or a month, things of that nature. Invest for the long term. Have realistic expectations. Okay, that is very important. So control your emotions. Never get too high, never get too low. Even keel wins the investment game. No need to behave erratic. No need to make senseless investment decisions. Sound investment decisions with displaying patience and emotional control will always win this game. So back to the chart. People get emotional. Let's say, Jay, I came in today, I have $1,000. Don't invest all the $1,000 in one transaction. Why? You come in at $19,165, then, for example, Bitcoin goes down 50% in the next couple of weeks. What do you think is going to happen? That means your $1,000 is going to be worth $500, pretty quickly. So again, the probability of a 50% drop that quick, not likely at this time, but you never know, right? It's Bitcoin. Anything is possible. So you don't want to expose yourself to that, emotional craziness that may cause you to, sell before you should, or, sell and then buy back in at higher prices and things of that nature. So you want to make sure you can control your emotions. Save enough, invest more regularly, and trade rarely. If you save too much, then you'll lack the power of the accumulation of assets for the long term. If you invest too little, then you'll miss out on maximizing the great growth opportunities. Even if you save and invest successfully, trading too much can take it all away for most. The dangerous activity of trading for most, and mainly for beginners, is where many market participants lose most of their hard-earned money, and where the biggest lack of emotional control happens, guys. So make sure you guys, for the most part, for most new investors, just be an investor. Don't be a trader. That's just my opinion and my advice. And again, this is not official financial advice, but you take it as you will. The 5 Ds of success: desire, direction, discipline, dedication, and determination. We all want that success, right? We never stop constantly chasing it. Most people want the success, but don't want to put in the work or do what's necessary to obtain it. The 5 must-haves when it comes to investment success are the following. Number 1, we have financial desire. How bad do you really want it? Jay, how bad do you? I want it a lot, so I got to put the time in, got to put the work in. What would you be willing to do or give up in order to achieve financial wellness? Maybe sacrifice a bit of your time. Maybe you work a 9-to-5 job, 8 hours a day, right? But then you get home, get your chores done, and then dedicate, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours to your craft. Keep that in mind. Do you have what it takes to go do what you need to do in order to achieve where you are really seeking? No excuses and all sacrifice. Are you willing to do that to get what you really want? That's the key. Have that desire burning inside of you to go chase, to go get, what you truly deserve. Number 2, financial direction. In order to succeed financially, you first must know and establish what are your financial goals in life. Having that direction allows you to focus on identifying your financial goals so that you may then have a better understanding of how you're planning to achieve them. Number 3, financial discipline. Save enough, then have the discipline to invest the rest. Control your spending and invest your money the right way without making any unnecessary expenses. Number 4, financial dedication. Respect yourself enough to display dedication towards what you truly want to achieve in your life. Be willing to do the hard work necessary to succeed, no matter what the cost or sacrifice is to do so. Number 5, financial determination. The ability to continue trying to do something and fulfill your purpose, no matter how difficult or challenging it may be. Quitting is never an option, guys. Only forward progress is accepted. Going back to the chart, look at that. Most people quit, guys. Most people, lack the determination to stick through a bear market. Most people in this area, or even if we go down lower, in this general area of the bear market, they quit. They give up on themselves, on their investments, on people that believe in them. And it's sad, really. Don't quit. Never quit. Never. Never. If you want to enjoy the profits up here, then you got to invest here. You can't quit, because then once we go up again and break all-time highs, you want to make sure you enjoy those benefits, enjoy those profits. So you have to have determination down here to enjoy the success up here. It's pretty simple, guys. It's pretty simple. So combining the 5 Ds, discipline, dedication, determination, desire, and direction, will all help with identifying and fulfilling one's true financial purpose and motivation in this life. And the same thing could be applied to a family. If you see this picture briefly, you have goals. Some people like kids, and want to have kids, a house, a big house, a car, get married, money, things of that nature, right? You have to have all of these. Desire, to take your family to another level. The direction, to know where you and your family are headed to. Discipline, to make sure that every day you constantly and repeatedly work on, your family and just creating a better environment. The dedication, to be there. Anything your family needs, you're there for them, and the determination that no matter what happens, you're going to take your family to success, guys. These are all important principles that you guys should keep in mind and habits that you guys should implement when investing in the cryptocurrency space. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video. We would appreciate it. Make sure you guys click on the notification bell, subscribe to our channel. In the description down below, you'll find a link to our website where you can have access to our other social networks and just tools and resources that you might find useful for entrepreneurs. So again, guys, this content is not official financial advice. It was created exclusively for educational purposes only. Thank you for your time and attention. Have a good one.